show you what we have in the box. First of all, the exciting bubble wrap. And we have the AEM wideband gauge that we're going to be running in the 240. This will allow for us when we're tuning the car and also running the car, we can actually see what's going on number-wise. So this wideband will be a big help. And with that being said, as I said, dynoed and tuned, we now have the AEM INFINITY 6 ECU that we're going to be running in the 240. So we're going to go ahead, have the wideband installed with the ECU. We're going to go ahead and get it tuned, go ahead and jump on the dyno and get those numbers that we want. So I would say the biggest reason why we chose AEM altogether, number one, we ran their products in the past. All we can say is top quality as we run those. Coming right out of the box, nice and simple, easy to install. And we know at the end of the day, it's going to last us for a long time. So AEM has never failed us. Holly, right behind them, fantastic products. And we're excited to be running these in our 240s and all of our project cars going forward. AEM wideband gauge. So this way, when we're tuning the car and running the car, we can see exactly what's going on. Beautiful. Air fuel ratio. This is it in the box. Very excited to actually see it up and running and in the car. So I just have to find a nice pod to put this in. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box though. Okay. So here we go. Very, very thin, very easy to go ahead and find a pod for this. It's going to be something that I was going to put really close to where the ECU is. John thinks I should go ahead and put it maybe closer to the dashboard or closer to where I can actually see it compared to leaning my head and looking by the ECU. So that will be something that we'll have to figure out exactly where we're going. But this is just a little hardware that it's coming with, right? All the wiring that we need. No second guessing or wondering what wire is needed. It's literally all plug and play, everything in just one big box. Here's the actual O2 sensor. I don't know why I was just drawing a blank on it. O2 sensor that we'll go ahead and plug in. But look, everything that you need for this gauge right here is all in one box, nice and simple, no second guessing as to what you need. So as I mentioned, AEM INFINITY 6 ECU, we're running in their 240 coupe. And for this one, first time opening the box, right, we have engineered to outperform. So a little bit of information for the actual AEM products that we're going to be running. Warnings, right, prior to registering and using it. It's giving us a security code, so I can't really share that with you. But right here, we actually have the ECU, super exciting. Let's go ahead and pull this apart and pull it out. Beautiful. Nice, lightweight, slim, extremely nice. We're going to go ahead and have this right behind the glove box. Thankfully, we're not even running a glove box. This car is trying to be as light as possible. So we will be able to have the ECU nice and handy right there, plug and play, and go ahead and, use all the equipment that it comes with. So it came with some wiring right here, and let's see, it also came with a little sand disc for when we're going ahead and tuning it, some more wiring, and this guy.